Hello coders, hope you are enjoying all the Numpy tutorials. Now, in the last video, we have seen split function on 1D array. In this video, I am going to explain you split function on 2D array. So now here you can see the syntax of np.split function. So x, either we can pass integer or position, or we can pass axis. Axis can be 0 or 1. So here in np.split, if axis is equal to 0 means split along the row. If axis is equal to 1, then split along the column. Now here you can see on 2D array we have passed x, then as I said, either in the second argument we can pass integer or 1D array. Here we have passed 1D array with one argument 2. That means here it shows the position. So now with axis 0, so here you can see it split along the row. Now next, again np.split x 1D array with one element 2, but here in place of axis 0, here we have passed axis 1. Now you can see means split along the column. Let I show you this practically in the Jupyter notebook. Here you can see I have imported numpy as np. So let me first create 2D array. First np.arrange. Let I create it from 0 to 16. Reshape it to 4 cross 4. Axis is equal to 0. So np.split. Let me pass the integer. So if you mention it or not, by default axis is 0. Now here you can see axis 0 means split along the row that you can see over here. Let me pass explicitly axis is equal to 0. As I said, if you mention it or not, by default axis is equal to 0 in np.split. Now you can see x, I want to perform the cut at the position number 3 with axis is equal to 0, that you can see here. Now how we can get this array? So let me assign it to one variable. Now v is equal to 0. First v is equal to 1, which contains second array. Now let I show you the same for the axis is equal to 1 now, means split along the column. Now you can see v, so that we can get using v0 first and v1 2. So now remember, in 2D array by default axis in split function is axis 0. Axis 0 means split along the row. Axis 1 means split along the column, that you can get by index 0 and index 1. Thank you for watching.